term to most of the people. They would probably think of that as a radio repair, radio technician, or someone who works in the radio broadcasting field. Radiologic Technology is a four-year degree healthcare profession that captures images inside the human body as a tool for diagnosis and treatment of various conditions. Most people tend to confuse these three healthcare professions in the healthcare system: the radiographer or radiologic technologists, radiologists, and physicians. Radiographer or radiologic technologists do not interpret and make diagnoses. They are the one who performs medical imaging procedures, operate various types of imaging equipment, and also guide patients throughout the procedure to ensure better quality images. Radiologists are doctors who specialize in using medical imaging to diagnose and treat patients with various conditions. They review and interpret results to aid making diagnosis. Physicians, on the other hand, monitors how a patient is responding to a treatment. In the world of radiology, there are different modalities that Radiologic Technologies is trained to perform. General radiography or X-ray is a diagnostic imaging equipment that utilizes high-energy rays that can pass through certain body tissue and create images to diagnose and treat various conditions. CT scan or CAT scan is also known as computed tomography or computerized axial tomography scan. It is a medical imaging equipment that captures images through a cross-sectional view of internal human body part to diagnose various conditions and use as a guide to procedures. Patients in this examination is asked to lie on a narrow table that slides into the center of the ring called gantry, revolving around it. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Is a diagnostic imaging equipment that uses powerful magnets and radio waves to diagnose, treat, and monitor various conditions such as examining the brain and spinal cord. In this examination, same with the CT scan, patients will lie on a narrow table that moves in and out of the gantry. However, metals are not allowed in this area and should be removed due to the strong magnets used. Patients with metallic implants cannot perform MRI examination. Nuclear medicine. It is a medical specialty that involves the application of radioactive substance to diagnose and treat various conditions such as cancers and neurological disorders. Radiation therapy is also known as radiotherapy. It is an examination used to treat cancers and is often used in conjunction with other therapies such as chemotherapy or tumor removal surgery. Fluoroscopy. It is a real-time medical imaging equipment that monitors the movement of a substance or instrument through the body to be seen in detail. It is used to diagnose disease and a guide to procedures. Ultrasound, also known as sonography, is a medical imaging modality that uses sound waves to diagnose various conditions and a guide to procedures to examine a baby on a pregnant woman. Mammogram is a diagnostic imaging modality that examines the human breast and used to diagnose lumps or other signs of breast conditions. Did you know that radiologic technologies can work in different settings? 70% of radiologic technologies works in the hospitals, 20% works in the clinics or treatment center, 10% works in a school for education. Liceo de Cagayan University envisioned a center of excellence in producing globally competent radiologic technologists anchored on the Licean values for God, country, and humanity, and is dedicated in delivering quality education demonstrated through exemplary instruction, research, and service learning for global integration of graduates in the field of radiologic technology.
So, what are you waiting for?